this engine is low weight, and it makes it feel, even though it's 200 something kilo, 215, I don't remember how many kilos, it doesn't matter so much kilos, because it feels light. Look.
Oh,
you see?
yes.
All the weight is down. Look at this. The weight, this is piece of aluminium and metal. If this was here, could reach this, the weight moves to the
Higher point.
higher point. And here gasoline can, it's here, you can put a helmet and this, but this is light. It's nothing.
It's plastic.
And believe me, you cannot break this. Believe me, trust me. I tried when I forgot my keys inside here.
Yes, yes.
And,
Difficult.
And I had to destroy the locker because I was overseas, not near my house. And as stupid as somebody can be, I didn't have the keys, the second keys with me. It's okay, doesn't matter, δεν πειράζει. The fuel capacity, the fuel tank is here, located. All this goes like this. And you can easily go far with this, with one fuel. This is my favorite bike. I have ever anything, something good like this. Never. And in the next episode I'm going to show you this windshield and this top box and this
Protective bars.
made the bike for me the best ever, because now it's touring. As I told you, I can rest. Second person, I don't worry if it falls down, because this has a huge torque. So when you start in the traffic like this, it's not fast bike, but torque is amazing. So you better have something for the back, because somebody might go away. So now, right now, look at me. I'm 190, and it comes here, and the wind comes from up. It's amazing what
Look, I have it here.
This is the
old one, the original.
The original.
Yes, the old one.
It comes like this. Look, everywhere is different now. Everything is amazing. You see, it's here, and this is here.
Okay.
Look.
Yes, I can see. Big difference.
Holy shit! And this is, ladies and gentlemen, in the next episode I'm going to talk about one episode talking only about windshield. So let's not stick here.
Let's go back to the original video, product video.
Yes. So
here.
This. Okay.
Show how you can hang the helmet.
This is my patent. Don't do this, because when you open it will jump. Just for a few seconds I hold it like this. So the position, I want to talk about the position. Tall man, NC. We make videos like this now. Okay, tall man, NC. I'm 190, 6.2 feet. Tall, 90 kilo. I don't know in pounds. Okay. And this is the position. You may think that Honda is stupid to put the steps here and not something like this here. Okay, more down and front.
They know.
But this is this bike has a very good behavior when you turn. So they make it a little bit sporty. Sporty doesn't mean always you have an enormous engine. Sporty can be like going fast in the curves. And this is what they designed to be here. So you have one position that makes you feel a little bit safe when you turn. And this also position is here the center and my butt. That means it holds my butts here.
Yes.
Okay, and my back doesn't hurt.
It protects you because all the pressure, a big part of the pressure stays on the feet.
Stays also in the feet, like 10% is gone. Something like this, I believe. And also, I wanted to have a solution with my knees because all the time folding like this, my legs was terrible. After 1 hour, had to stop the engine, all the bike, everything is comfortable, and here I had to stop for this to rest, just for 2 minutes. And this was extremely tiring for me. So my solution was the bars, they cover the engine, boom.
Boom, yes.
So I just keep going, never stop, never stop. I have been from central Greece until North Serbia, which is 800 kilometers in Belgrade, from near Athens, a little bit.
Not so near.
Central Greece.
Northern.
Central Greece,
Central
Larissa,
Greece,
Central
yes.
Greece to Belgrade. Anybody who is in the South Europe, he knows what I'm talking about. If you are in America, it's like 800 kilometers, which must be something like 550 miles. And without to stop, I stopped only to go to toilet, have one sandwich, and have one cafe twice. But I didn't stop for my knees. I stopped for another purpose because I was tiring and feeling sleepy and dizzy. So I had to stop, but not for my knees. So Tollman NC solution is here, but this is dangerous because you lose 1 second. Something appears in the front, one second, you lose 1 second. This second is crucial when your life is sitting on it. So don't do this. I just go driving very slow, extremely slow in the side of the street, in the highway, and I go extremely slow just to rest my leg. And usually I do one by one. I rest this, I have another one, normal. So because this is a manual version, I can shift the gears down. If when I want to stop, shift the gears down a little bit. But I go extremely slow when I rest, especially my right leg. Also, when you turn, this might risk to hit the floor, the ground, if you drive sporty. So please don't do this. Think first, überlegen und dann kannst du das machen. Aber passen Sie auf mit dieser Sache, okay? Das ist gefährlich. Be careful, this is dangerous. Don't do this unless you know what you're doing. This is under my thought for myself, and I go extremely slow to do this. He also have cruising control.
I was looking at it and I was wondering.
This is also dangerous.
What do you do now? Ah, it is. No.
Okay, so when you another video.
Okay.
So Tollman NC, no problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I have the NC750X from Honda. It's the 2023, it's cherry color. Can you see the color is cherry?
Yes, I can see.
And today the presentation is about my bike. I have many accessories, so keep watching. If you like 750X or Forza, this kind of machine with this engine, you're tuned here, okay? So today I'm going to show you the throttle.
Throttle?
There is not cruise control, so I have to make this. You turn, and it stays.
Ah, I wanna try.
It stays. When you have a pump, you might need more strong here. Okay? Usually when I go cruising slowly speed, like 100 km in a big road, which I could go even 150, but I just want to relax a little bit, then I do. I don't go fast with this, okay? Just to relax a little bit, just to stay a little bit to relax. Sometimes only, okay? And then you unscrew, but make sure that this goes opposite, okay? This way, from here you saw, this way you tight, this way you make front, if you do front, okay, simple to install, and yeah, it's good or not, you name it, but be careful with these things, okay? Don't crash, be very careful. Just want to show you one of my accessory. I'm waiting for the lights and for the another bar, and here also for the side case, and the central stand, waiting for it, and I'm going to have 2 lights, 2 and 2, 4 lights. The zoom, the ones who go far away, the lights, and the other who go in here front. So this motorcycle itself doesn't have good lights, but it's going to have the best lights because I'm going to take care of it. Because for me, light is crucial for your safety. So make sure you're careful, and because you stayed in the video until now, I'm going to show you my cup holder. Okay, cup holder. This is a bonus, okay? This is not in the video. This was not supposed to be in the video.
He's giving a bonus.
You stayed here, that means you like the video so far. Okay, this is a cup holder. And because when I first made it, it jumped away, so I had the solution to hold it like this.
I love it. It's nice.
As a Greek, we like drink coffee, and we have the best coffee, believe it or not, even better than Italian. Believe it or not, in Greece, when you come to Greece, you order freddo. It's called freddo espresso. It's a cold espresso. This is cold espresso with ice. It's amazing, you have to try. Anyway, the good thing in the story is that this is ugly, right? This is ugly.
Okay.
Why don't you take this out? Boom. Okay. You got it?
Nice.
I don't have my brille, my glasses. You're in. Doesn't go alone, especially when you hold it here. This is another episode. Boom.
Boom. And you have also, this motorcycle has the advantage of you can take it out and put it in here.
Yes.
You don't have to carry it in your bag.
Yes. Exactly.
Okay, okay.